Hi there! Do you want to learn how you can back up your camera roll on Snapchat? Now, when you open app Snapchat, if you see the camera roll, it says your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. Now the question is, how do I back my camera roll to my Snapchat account? Now, do the backup on your Snapchat. First, you need to open Snapchat, tap Profile, tap Setting, scroll down, tap Memories. Now, here is what you need to do. Here, if you look there, you can see this option you need to enable, Smart Backup. Now, if you enable this option, you will back all of your memories of your Snapchat. Also, choose the memories and camera roll and choose this last option and set it to auto-saved to memories. After following this process, all the memories will be saved on Snapchat Memories. Now guys, if you still have any questions, be sure to drop your opinion in the comment section. Thanks for watching.